We're seeing a real push towards the Amazonification, I can say, of making the consumer's convenience utmost, and physicians as well, making it easy for doctors to see patients wherever they are and whenever they want to. So all these tools will converge, we think, into something that will maximize convenience and take more and more friction out of the healthcare system.
Welcome to For the Health of It, a series where we bring together some of the world's top scientists, health experts, and analysts to discuss some of the biggest challenges in healthcare today. I'm Bill Evans. With us today is Destry Sulkas, EVP of Growth at healthcare marketing agency Click Health. Click and Komodo have announced a partnership. Can you talk a little bit about the details of the partnership and how that aligns with Click's strategy to bring better value to your customers?
Absolutely. We're thrilled with the partnership, largely because it's giving us new insights across the healthcare ecosystem to really understand what behaviors are happening in the marketplace so we can triangulate that against the attitudes that we're finding from surveys and also against non-healthcare data, so how physicians and patients are spending their time outside of the healthcare realm so that we can get the full 360-degree view of all of our customers and be able to therefore deliver the best experiences.
So how are you balancing privacy and data rights? This is obviously top in mind for a bunch of people who want their information protected and their privacy secured, with being able to get more patient-level insights to improve the overall patient experience.
So privacy is paramount for us, and choosing partners that have strict policies in place, like Komodo and others, is what we do day in and day out. And we also need to seek ways in the future to allow patients and physicians potentially to release their data when they see there's ways that releasing that data can get them better care.
So this concept around empowering the patient with better services is right in line with Pharma as a whole's goal of being more patient-centric, putting the patient in the center of the equation. Where do you still see opportunities for Pharma to take the next step in surrounding the patient in a way that supports them in their journey for wellness?
We have a great example in a client who launched a novel migraine treatment during the pandemic and realized they had to go digital first. That was paramount. And so what we did was started to look at a lot of the traditional consumer channels for CPG products and technology products, even like Netflix, and try to understand how they were reaching consumers and letting consumers make their own choices. And so what this Pharma brand did was use all of these channels like Spotify, like Twitter, even TikTok, in new ways to reach patients where they wanted to be reached.
10 years from now, what does the relationship look like between Pharma and its constituents? HCPs, patients, agencies like yourself, whomever. Let's put your crystal ball in front of us and predict the future.
Yeah, this is where for us at Click, as a traditional digital-first agency, it gets even more exciting because we've had visions for this for a long time, and it seems like they might actually start to become reality, meaning that patients will be able to go online, see their doctor or different doctors, either real-time or asynchronous, and get care when they want it, how they want it, and even get medications or treatments delivered straight through their phones if it's digital or to their door, or even if they're visiting relatives to some other location. We're seeing a real push towards the Amazonification, I can say, of making the consumer's convenience utmost, and physicians as well, making it easy for doctors to see patients wherever they are and whenever they want to. So all these tools will converge, we think, into something that will maximize convenience and take more and more friction out of the healthcare system.
Be sure to follow Komodo Health's social feeds for future episodes, updates, and news. Thank you for watching For the Health of It. See you next time.